Do you want to receive some gifts? Ah. So, dapat ang sagot nyo, when you answer, you don't answer yes. What you answer is, opo. Okay, do you want to receive some gifts? Opo. Yeah. Si Kuya said. Halika dito, mami. Ayan, halika dito, partner. Yan.
Do you want to receive some gifts?
Opo.
Wow, di ba? Very good.
Before we start the game, you are going to say, you're going to say Happy New Year, the longest na magsasabi ng Happy New Year wins the game.
Okay, sample muna. Okay, listen kids, listen here. Listen, okay. When I pass you the mic, when it's your turn, you're going to say, Happy New Year. And who among you is the longest will win a gift. Okay ba, kids? Opo. Okay ba? Opo. Wala pa, parang may panalo na. Okay, so let's start with Tabzab.
Long. Louder, sab-sab, louder. Louder, sab-sab. Wala na. Go, Carol. Go, Carol. Ang cute. Ang cute naman.
Oh, hindi nyo narinig, naka 5 seconds siya. Yay! Okay, stand your head. Oh, next. Kuya Selfie, happy birthday. Down.
One, two, three.
Mariah can see.
Oh, tama na yan. 13.
Singer yan, singer.
13.
Kuya AJ.
It's Kuya AJ's turn. Inhale, exhale first. Oh.
Singer yata si Kuya Zeb.
What we got there is 15 seconds.
Happy New
Okay. Not enough air in the lungs.
Busog.
Okay. Next,
Busog kasi, busog.
Today, baka kumain ng madami. Okay, next.
One, two, three.
Import. May wala. Talo yung lokal. Good job. Ano ba yan, Pranika?
So EJ wins the game.
And separate, let's all give them a clap again. Congratulations, kids. And because it's Christmas and New Year, each and one of you will receive a goodie